Hi there and welcome to the Ultimate Facebook Ads Masterclass for coaches, consultants, local business owners, and infopreneurs. If you're a coach or agent trying to increase your online revenues, a small business owner looking to double his earnings, or an expert looking to market your online courses online, Facebook ads are a must. Facebook ads are one of the most successful targeting strategies in the history of marketing. With over 2.4 billion active users, Facebook is by far the most popular social media site on the planet. That means that 1 out of every 3 people on the planet is on Facebook. When you see how in-depth Facebook's ad targeting is, it should be a no-brainer for you to get on board and use Facebook advertising to promote your company and drive it to the next level. Some people try to focus on Google's organic traffic by uploading videos to YouTube, writing articles here and there, and also using Google advertising to advertise their websites and stores while waiting for traffic to arrive. While these tactics may work, the concern is that they are not scalable. If you proceed in this direction, if you go this way, it means that people will find out about you only when they go to Google and search for your product. Since Facebook ads are quickly scalable, once you've found the right mix of your ad and your bid, you can place it in front of millions of potential buyers in a matter of hours and create hundreds of thousands of sales and leads. Facebook ads make you reach people all over the world, and not only that, it makes you reach exactly the people who might buy your product. Although this seems super promising and easy, the majority of people who try Facebook ads fail during the first couple of days and quit. The majority of people are scared of wasting money on advertisements, so they launch their Facebook advertising with a $5 daily budget, try one ad text and one picture, they see no results and immediately abandon, thinking it was a waste of money, and they start nagging on social media that Facebook ads don't work and that Facebook ads are really expensive. Well, I am exaggerating a bit, but I guess you understood what I mean. Although Facebook ads are competitive, I can assure you that if you master Facebook ads, it will be easy for you to launch successful campaigns and take your business to the next level. After all, if Facebook ads are competitive, it is because it works and can generate massive results for those masters them well. If you want to be successful online, you need to know everything there is to know about Facebook marketing, including how to reach the most lucrative markets, how to do effective retargeting, how to create appealing images and videos, and how to scale quickly, which is exactly what I will discuss in this masterclass, among other things. The Facebook ads tool is very advanced, and Facebook has a lot of information about everyone. Facebook knows your age, your sex, what is your favorite music, your favorite sports teams if you have any, your hobbies, what food do you like, what things do you enjoy, and Facebook even knows if you are single or in a couple, and a lot more. This will help you a lot targeting the right people and selling them your products. I can guarantee you that the strategies you'll learn in this course are much better and efficient than what you find in the $2,500, $2,500 guru courses you find on the internet in Facebook Ads Tutorials 2020. Following are some of the things you will learn through this masterclass. 1. How Facebook works and what do you need to do to create successful ads. 2. How to create stunning photos for your products for free. 3. How to create a converting video that will catch the eyes of your prospects and make them hit that buy button and pull out their credit cards. 4. How to create an attractive thumbnail for your videos. 5. How to enhance your copywriting and write better ad text that will seduce Facebook users and make them read your ad carefully. 6. The things you need to be aware of to not get banned from Facebook. 7. What is a Facebook pixel and why it is important for your business and how to install it on your website. 8. Which conversion event to choose for your pixel. 9. The secret that nobody shows you elsewhere to succeed in Facebook ads. 10. How to choose your campaign objective, your daily budget, and the devices you want the ad to show on. 11. How to choose well your target audience, and this will save you a lot of money because you will not be paying money to Facebook to show your ad to people that are not interested. 12. How to do efficient retargeting campaigns with different layers and not just basic retargeting. 13. How to create an ad with thousands of likes and comments and shares. 14. How to read data, and which metrics you need to concentrate on. 15. How to know when to kill an ad and when to scale it. 16. How to scale well your campaigns both vertically and horizontally. 17. How to use effectively lookalike audiences. Who this course is for. 1. Anyone who wants to start or boost his own business using Facebook marketing. What will I learn? 1. By the end of this masterclass, you master all Facebook marketing strategies you need to succeed in your business. 2. Fundamentals and advanced Facebook marketing techniques you can use to start or boost your business. 3. Learn everything about Facebook marketing, from designing the photos and videos and writing great ad text to mastering retargeting and lookalike audiences.